Good day, everyone, and welcome to another exciting vocab lesson. This is Mr. Stitt, and we're going to go over week 17 words for my 7th grade students. The words this week are hobble, loot, sash, brash, mate, and demeanor. Let's go ahead and jump right into the words. Word number 1 this week is hobble, and it's a verb, so it's an action, and it means to walk lamely or limp, to proceed irregularly and haltingly. So as you can see in this image, this man is hobbling from place to place. Maybe he's been in a terrible accident or he had an injury playing sports. He cannot walk in a normal way, so he must hobble by dragging his leg or just moving slowly. Synonyms of hobble would be falter, shuffle, stagger, stumble, or limp. Hobble. The next word this week is loot. Loot. Now this is a noun, so it's a thing. It's something you can hold in your hands, and it's awesome. And it means spoils or plunder taken by pillaging, as in war, or anything taken by dishonesty, force, stealth. So it might be awesome to have it in your hands, but it's not awesome how you went about getting it. If you loot something, you are essentially stealing it. So you have come about this riches, this wealth, this beautiful thing by dishonesty. So synonyms of this word would be spoils, money, pillage, plunder, or prize. Loot. The next word this week is sash. Sash. And this is a noun, so it's a thing. And as you can see in this image here, it's a beautiful thing. It's something that goes across your body. And it's a long band or scarf worn over one shoulder or around the waist, as by military officers, as a part of a uniform, or by women and children for ornament. So this is a Miss Arab pageant. And so any sort of beauty pageant, Miss America, Miss Universe, the winner will wear this sash across their body. Military men and women, if they have a special prize, will wear a sash across their body. Synonyms for this word would be belt, ribbon, or scarf. Sash. The next word this week is brash. Now this is an adjective, so it describes the way that you act or the way that you speak. And brash means impertinent, impudent, or tactless. It means hasty, rash, or impetuous. It means energetic or highly spirited, especially in an irreverent way, or zesty. So let me break down some of those words. If you say things that are brash, that means you're essentially saying things that are rude. You say things that are blunt and come straight to your mind, but they are very rude and disrespectful towards others. You don't think about what you say before you say it, or you don't think about how you act before you act. You may be kind of a little rough with a little brother or sister. You may be kind of rude to a friend who's coming to you to get support, but you say something that's kind of rude instead. So a brash action is a rude or disrespectful action. Synonyms for this would be bold, reckless, rude, pushy, or tactless. Brash. The next word this week you're probably very familiar with is mate. Mate. Now this is a noun, so it's a person. And a mate is a partner in a marriage or a spouse. Now it doesn't have to necessarily be this serious though. You can have a playmate. So often, Mr. Stitt is a father now, and so I have a young daughter, and she frequently has playmates. When we go to the park, the person she's playing with is her mate or her partner. And when we're talking specifically about marriage though, it is the person that you are married to. And so you trust in this person, you rely on this person. This person is very important to your success. So synonyms of this word would be bride, buddy, companion, comrade, spouse, or husband. Mate. The next word this week is demeanor. Demeanor. Now this is a noun, so it's a thing, but the way of your demeanor can be an adjective as well. So I could describe your demeanor. But the word demeanor is who you are, the conduct or behavior or deportment. It could also mean your facial appearance. So this person's demeanor is very happy. This person's demeanor is very sad. This person's demeanor is very angry or frustrated. So other words for demeanor include attitude, disposition, personality, feelings, conduct, or behavior. Demeanor. Well, thank you so much for joining us this week. Here is a summary of the words that we learned today. Hobble, loot, sash, brash, mate, and demeanor. Thanks again for joining us. I hope to see you next time. Bye.